welcome to Kaleidoscope. I'm Uche Aluku. Coming up on the program, faith-based non-governmental organization Arise Women donates medical supplies to patients and frontline health workers fighting COVID-19. In a show of solidarity, some oil companies are coming together and partnering with state governments to protect their host communities from coronavirus. And the National Lottery Trust Fund donates a fully equipped COVID-19 treatment center to the Katsina State government. Glad you could join us on the program. Arise Women, a faith-based non-governmental organization that promotes nation building by empowering and improving the lives of women, is strengthening the Lagos State government's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. The organization, an initiative of Dr. Siju Iluyomade, who is a lawyer and a pastor, reaches women through various projects, including medical interventions, mostly in rural areas. So it was a natural choice for the organization to donate medical supplies for the COVID-19 fight in Lagos.
Mobile health clinics belonging to Arise Women, a faith-based non-governmental organization about to be emptied of their content at the mainland hospital Yaba, where one of the isolation centers in Lagos is located. The medical supplies by Arise Women is to help strengthen Lagos State government's response to COVID-19. Arise Women provide free primary healthcare services to rural communities with these mobile clinics, so they come in handy to support the fight against the novel coronavirus pandemic. They donated personal protective equipment, 4,000 sanitizers, 4,000 face masks, 20,000 units of gloves, buckets, towels, and an intensive care complaint ventilator. A message from the organization's leadership states the rationale behind supporting the Lagos State government in the fight against COVID-19.
The whole world is concerned about this pandemic. It's so obvious and it's so blaring. And everybody has to put you can't leave it alone to the government. So all the NGOs are coming about, and Arise Women is the foremost NGO. They've looked around to see what they can do to help the situation.
Driven by the shared determination and passion to impact lives positively, the founder of the organization, Pastor Dr. Siju Iluyomade, made the decision to intervene. In fact, it's something Arise Women have been doing for the past 11 years since its establishment.
Initially, when we started, we used to have medical outreaches every month. We carried this mobile medical clinic around the different local governments in Lagos State. We went to the girls' school, including Queen's College, Methodist Girls High School, and every Ikeja local government, Koshofe local government. We were going there, we were giving screening. We did cervical cancer screening, breast cancer screening, hypertension, and then we moved from here to Abuja, and we replicated everything that we have been doing. We also replicate in Abuja.
Patients and healthcare workers in the front lines of the coronavirus pandemic are faced with enormous challenges, including an open-ended need for disposable protective gear such as face masks and gloves. And as such, whatever support is provided by organizations like Arise Women is highly appreciated in the fight against the virus.
We are appreciative of their support for the response, and we are expecting other organizations to also support. Mind you, the Lagos State government is putting a lot of support, huge support in terms of resources into this response, and the federal government is also, one way or the other supporting, this response in terms of human resources.
The medical supplies by Arise Women have been handed over to the Emergency Operations Center for distribution to different outposts. This is to ensure the items get to the beneficiaries and achieve the aim of stopping the spread of the COVID-19.